Alright guys, this is Brittany, Newkey Realty. We are over at 23653 Restore Road in Taylor Hills. This one is brand new on the market. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, built in 2010. Parking here is a little bit better. So if I pulled all the way up, you could fit a second car. So you could potentially fit, 4 cars fairly comfortable here. Square footage upstairs is 1238. Total is 2476. Lot size is 0.2. So brick front, we got some siding. Could get some landscaping done here. Covered front patio. Just 2 steps up. So front door. A little bit of scraping. This house is very cool, temperature wise. You do enter right into the living room, and the floor plan's a little quirky. So your master is here right off the front door. It's a little bit of a smaller room. You do have the vaulted ceilings, kind of limited in your bed placement as well. Master bath, got your double sinks, tile, jacuzzi tub, and then separate standing shower. Closet, decent size. I mean, it's definitely a walk-in closet. A little bit of light staining on the carpet. Not in bad condition. You can tell that it's definitely not new carpet though. All right, so living, we have our vaulted ceilings again. Dining, kitchen combo. Black appliances. Takes you right into your laundry room. It is fairly dark in here. We have pantry. This is the basement, which we'll go down there afterwards, and your 2-car garage. So you have your attic access. Your panel box is in the garage. And pretty standard garage. You might have a little bit of extra storage room here in the back, but pretty standard size. And then you have 2 closets right across from each other, and they're both just little closets. And just little things. So that was probably a wired smoke detector. There is another one there. I'm not sure they took the wired one down. And that light over there, the circular light, it is not attached very well to the ceiling. So easy fixes, just pointing out. Various little nail pops, blemishes. We have another attic access. Fan's a little wobbly. Pretty standard size room. Closet. And then no light in here. Very, very dark. Yeah, I think one of the bulbs is going in and out. We'll turn it off. Bathroom, a small little vanity, tile. There's a crack going across these 2 tiles. Tub shower combo. Another bedroom. This bedroom overlooks the front yard. The bedroom we were just in overlooks the backyard. So they have this little nook over here. And you could put a desk, TV over there. Again, no light in the closet. Let's take a peek out back. Deck could definitely use a pressure wash and a stain. Does have stairs and a gate at the bottom of the stairs, which is kind of nice. So there is a slope to this yard, and it is a smaller yard, one of the smaller yards we've seen. Top of the post are rotten. I think most of them, if not, well, that one's not too bad. But yeah, the other ones got some rotten deck post, some of these spindles. Down there in the dirt, it looks like you have some washout issues. I mean, the yard is sloped, so I can definitely see that. Fencing could definitely use a pressure wash as well. We're having a bit of mildew growth on that side. Siding seems to be in pretty good shape. Let's go check out the basement. I think this light is going out because it's pretty dark in this room. And then the stairs are quite dark as well. Rail is a little loose. So this is a view at the base of the stairs. Again, just kind of dark down here. They have this nook. I almost feel like this would be better used if they would have had a wall here and made this like an office area. A little bit of staining on the carpet. And they have this little nook over here, but you also have your Harry Potter closet. There's some light staining up there that could potentially be some previous water issues. So in person, it doesn't look that bad, but it seems like my camera's picking up more than I could see in person. But yeah, it does look like some previous water. This is that last bathroom. Tile. Again, we have a little vanity. Tub, shower. We have some tile cracking back there. This is unfinished area, storage area. You do have your furnace and your hot water heater. They are both electric. And we have the PEX coming out of the hot water, which is nice because it is considered an upgrade. And it seems like there's a sprinkler in here. I have not noticed any other sprinklers, but it looks like they have a sprinkler in here. And here's another one of the wired smoke detectors that are missing. This is that last bedroom, and this is probably the largest bedroom in the house. This is a very good sized bedroom. Overlooks the backyard. Yep, backyard. So that is the deck up there. Standard closet. Again, we don't have any lighting. And it looks like maybe something just scraped the ceiling up there. And in the back looks like a nail pop. But again, really good size bedroom. Let's take a peek out back. We do have tile here. All right, carpet is tore up a little bit right here. And then you have your little tiny pad with some gravel around it. So backyard is not as user-friendly, or entertainment-friendly, I should say. All right, I think we went over all of our house details. Let's see, yearly taxes, $12.90, 0.2 acres. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, I'll get this uploaded and head over to our last showing.